Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both environments. Install the Swift toolchain and verify Swift runs. Once done, scaffold a Minimal Vapor or Kitchera app to serve JSON. On Roblox, enable HTTP service and add your test URL to allowed external URLs. This lets the game talk to your Swift server. Make sure to use HTTPS for production and pick a clear endpoint pattern, one endpoint per logical action, so you can iterate quickly while avoiding security mistakes. Next, you implement the API and test it thoroughly. Write Swift handlers that parse and return strict JSON using Codable ensures safe decoding. Run the server locally and expose it with ngrok for quick HTTPS testing. Validate endpoints with curl or postman before touching Roblox. Then add authentication, API keys, HMAC signatures, or JWT, and verify the game can include credentials. Make sure to respond with consistent status codes and helpful error messages so Roblox scripts can handle failures predictably. Finally, you integrate the Swift backend into the Roblox experience. From a server script, use HTTP service, request a sync to post or get JSON, and decode responses with HTTP service, JSON decode. Make sure to run network calls off the main loop and implement timeout and retry logic. This prevents lag and lost requests. When finalizing, test player flows end-to-end and monitor server logs. If something breaks, check logs. Confirm HTTPS and headers match your auth scheme, and rerun curl tests to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.